This is a short instructional video on how to download and install DB Rover. DB Rover can be downloaded from dbrover.com.au, so just pop over to there in your web browser and hit the download button. And it'll take you to the download page. DB Rover is available in 3 different editions. There's the Community Edition, which is free for non-profit and non-commercial use. The Professional Edition for commercial use, and also a fully hosted edition, so we can do that hosting for you here at GeoTabular. The one we're going to install today is the Professional Edition. Every edition comes in comes on 3 different platforms: Windows 64-bit, Mac OS X, and also a Linux version. We're going to be installing the Windows Professional Edition today. So it's just a matter of clicking on the platform that you're interested in, and you can download that. Each of the editions also require a license file. However, it does also include a 30-day trial, so you get to use it for 30-day trial, and then you will have to register at DB Rover, which you can do just by clicking the register here button. What happens is, once we've registered, we will send you a license file for continued use. So what I'm going to do here is just double click on the download. So I've downloaded the DB Rover Install Professional Edition for Windows 64-bit. I've also registered for a license. Again, you can do that at the dbrover.com.au website. So first things first is just a matter of double clicking on the executable that you've downloaded. Just give it a few moments to unpack, and it will unpack the setup files for us. Okay, and the first thing that will come up is the wizard to allow you to install DB Rover. It's just a matter of accepting the license agreement and clicking next, and it'll go and install DB Rover into your C drive /DB Rover directory. All installations for Windows go into the DB Rover directory. That's not configurable at the moment, but may be in the future. So once it's been installed, we click the done button, and let's just go and have a look at our desktop, and we'll see that there's 3 icons that are available. The 3 that are available are the DB Rover tools, which come with the Professional Edition only, the client browser, and the service manager. So what I'm going to do firstly is double click on the service manager, and it'll bring up a dialog to allow me to start DB Rover. So to start DB Rover, you just click the start button, and it'll go and load DB Rover into memory. If you're planning on externalizing DB Rover so that people on the internet can access your databases, you will need to set up a web server so that you can expose DB Rover to the internet. We can certainly help you with that particular integration, as well as we've done it many times on client sites. So we'd be happy to provide you with some information on how to expose DB Rover to the internet. So once we've started DB Rover, we can then double click on the client browser. What that'll do is bring up the login interface and the client UI for DB Rover. The default username and password for DB Rover is dbrover@example.org, and the password is DB Rover, all one word, lowercase. Username and passwords can be configured within the DB Rover tools, along with databases and various other parts of DB Rover. So I've just logged in, and we're just having a look here to see that everything's up and running. I can click on the sample database that's provided. This database is here as a default database, and it won't show up once you've configured your database with DB Rover. We'll be going through the interface in another video, so stay tuned for some more editions of DB Rover tutorials. Okay, thank you.